Very good afternoon to all final year MCOM students. In the today's class, we try to explain the applications of e-commerce, how e-commerce are used, or where exactly the e-commerce are used. Well, my dear students, globally, e-commerce is applied in the field of e-marketing, in the field of e-advertising, in the field of e-banking, in the field of mobile commerce, in the field of e-learning, in the field of e-shopping, in the field of online training, in the field of search engines, and also in the field of entertainment. So, globally, e-commerce is applied in the nine different areas. Let us try to understand briefly. So you can have the further study by referring the websites, by referring the textbooks, whatever the source you have. Well, now what is e-marketing? I think this concept, I think you're studying the subject marketing. E-marketing also known as internet marketing. It is also known as online marketing, and nowadays it's also known as web marketing. Is it not? It is the marketing of products or services over the internet. It is considered to be the broad in scope because not refers to a marketing on the internet but also done in email and wireless media. And your e-marketing ties together the creative and the technical aspects of the internet, including the design development, advertising, and even sales. And you already studied the business models. The internet marketing, e-marketing is associated with several business models. To mention few, B2C, B2B, C2C, and you have studied many other models. So this is all about e-marketing. Then the second the application of e-commerce is e-advertising. It is also known as online advertising. It is a form of promotion that uses internet and www World Wide Web to deliver marketing messages to attract the customers. For example, banner ads, social network advertising, online classified advertising, etc. etc. The growth of these particular media no doubt, attracts the attention of advertisers as a more productive source to bring in consumers, to bring in customers or the consumers. And online advertising also offers various forms of animation. Is it not? The term online advertisement comprises all sorts of banner advertisement, email advertising, in-game advertising, etc. etc. Well, now I'll move on to the the third application of e-commerce, that is e-banking, or popularly known as internet banking. E-banking or internet banking is a means Any user with a personal computer, any is nothing but user with a personal computer, and the browser can get connected to his bank's website to perform any of the banking transactions, any of the banking functions. You can deposit, we can withdraw, you can transfer the money, you can withdraw the deposit, you can withdraw the FD also. In internet banking system, the bank has a centralized database that is nothing but the web enabled database. Best example for e-banking is your ATM. An ATM is an electronic fund transfer terminal capable of handling cash deposits, transfer between the two persons. You can use for balance inquiries, you can use it for cash withdrawals, and you can also use it for paying the bills. So, and you all know that the services through e-banking, to mention few, bill payment services, fund transfer services, investing through internet banking services, shopping services. Is it not? Here, what is important here is, and I think you used to receive the message from the bank. As a customer, you will receive a message from the bank saying that customer should never share the personal information like PIN numbers, passwords, etc. with anyone. So these precautions you need to take. Through internet banking, you can check your transaction at any time of the day and as many times as you want. There is no restrictions. If you have sufficient time in your home, at your home, you can check your balance. Suppose if you have got a good sum, good amount of bank balance, ನಿಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಗ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ 1 lakh rupees in my account. Oh, I have got 1 lakh rupees in my account. Anytime you can cross check and you can show it to your friend also, but don't disclose the ATM pin, password, etc., etc. Now I'll move to the fourth application of mobile e-com, that is the application of e-commerce, that is mobile commerce. Mobile commerce, m-commerce, everything one and the same. So mobile commerce also known as, or mobile commerce is also called m-commerce. M-commerce, mobile commerce is the ability to conduct commerce as with the help of mobile device, such as mobile phone, smartphone. Now let me ask, what are the services that are available from your mobile banking, mobile commerce? You can use mobile commerce, you can use m-commerce for mobile ticketing, you can use it for mobile vouchers, coupons, and you can use it for mobile contract purchase and delivery mainly consumer of the sale of ringtones, wallpapers, games of mobile phones. What not, you please tell me. So with the help of one small device, smartphone, mobile device, you can do wonder. You can have a mobile commerce. Everything is possible. If I ask which is not possible, you cannot buy your mother and father. That's all. Even local based service, local discount offers. You will come to know the local weather. And with regard to information services, you can read the news, sports. You can, at any time you can read out the scores. So these are the uses of mobile commerce. Now come to the, the as far as mobile banking is concerned, banks and other financial institutions use their mobile commerce to allow their customers to access the account information and make transactions such as purchasing, withdrawals, etc., etc. And one more thing in the mobile is, mobile browsing, using the mobile browser, a www, I think you know the full form, World Wide Web. Browser on mobile devices, customer can shop online without having, without having to be at their personal computer, without even PC. You can, with the help of mobile, you can. So mobile browsing is possible, mobile banking is possible. You can get the information. You are, with the help of mobile, you can have the information services, local based services you can offer, local weather you can. All these things comes under the, mobile commerce. Now come to the, the fifth one, that is e-learning. Today, my dear students, you're all learning, you're all studying your MCOM third semester. Even in the last semester also, at the end, from March onwards, you have started studying the classroom teaching with the help of e-commerce. So this is also, e-learning is also part of the one of the important applications of e-commerce. E-learning comprises of all forms of electronically supported learning and teaching. So e-learning includes even teaching also. And see, from next week onwards, or if you're ready from tomorrow onwards, you can also present your seminar. So you can teach your peer group by presenting the seminar paper. Okay, so that is nothing but e-learning includes supported learning as well as teaching. E-learning is essentially the computer and network enabled transfer of skills and knowledge. By having the seminars, you are transferring your, communication skills to your friends. You're transferring the knowledge that which you have on a particular aspect. You're transferring your knowledge to your friends. Is it not? So e-learning applications and process include web-based learning or computer-based learning. Here the content is delivered via the internet, intranet, extranet, audio or video, satellite, TV, etc., etc. Computer-based learning, sometimes abbreviated to CBL. I think I did not tell the full form. CBL is nothing but computer-based learning. So this CBL refers to the use of computer as a key component of the education environment. It is used as a key component for the purpose of learning, for the purpose of education, educating, or in other words, in a broader way, key component of the education environment. E-learning is naturally, the suited to distance and flexible learning, but can also be used in conjunction with the face-to-face teaching. So we can have the face-to-face learning, face-to-face teaching, face-to-face discussion, face-to-face communication, and it has a, the suited to distance and flexible learning. See, Now I'm sitting in the college. You are sitting in some other place, some different place. Some students are from out of district students also we have. And flexible in learning. Because I'm sending the recorded video. You can watch my class, you can listen my class at your own time. This is nothing but flexible learning. If I conduct an online live class, you will lose a flexibility. Distance learning is possible. Face-to-face teaching learning is possible, but you will lose the flexible learning. Well, e-learning can also refers to the educational websites such as those offering learning scenarios and interactive exercise for the students. Communication technologies are used in e-learning. A learning management system, LMS. I think the government is, the higher education department, our collegiate education. I think shortly they are inaugurating this LMS, learning management system, for the all degree colleges, including PG. To begin with, they are introducing to the degree. So that is a learning management system, LMS. So it's a software used for delivering, tracking, and managing the education or managing the training, managing the classroom. Through that LMS, attendance will be taken. There will be monitoring on the student. There will be monitoring on the teacher. Everything will be tracking. That's possible. So entire education system is managed with the help of LMS, learning management system. So this is a part of the e-learning. Well, I'll move on to the sixth application of e-commerce. Okay, that is online shopping. Online shopping is the process whereby customer directly buy goods and services from a seller in real time without an intermediaries or without an intermediate service over the internet. It's a form of e-commerce, an online shop, e-shop, e-store, internet shop, web shop, web store, online store, or virtual shop evokes the physical analogy of buying products or services in a shopping center. This process is called B2C. You know the full form, business to consumer. So entire this process is called business to consumer online shopping. When a business buys from the another business, it is called B2B online shopping. When a business buys from the another businessman, another business unit, it is called business to business online shopping, B2B. In order to shop online, one must be able to have access to computer, a bank account, and debit card or credit card. Or in simple, e-wallet, e-cash. Online shopping, the widen the target audience, the men, women of any class, high class, top class, middle class, low class. Online shoppers commonly use the cards, debit card, credit cards to make payments. However, some systems enable the user to create accounts and pay by alternative means. such as billing to a mobile phone and landline. The second one is check, gift card, debit cards, PO, postal money order. Online stores are usually available 24 hours in a day, and many consumers have internet access both at the workplace and at the home. The online stores or web must describe the products for sale with the text, phones, and multimedia files. The one major advantage, of shopping online is being able to quickly seek out the deals for items or services with many different vendors. Similarly, the one more another major advantage of retailer is the ability to rapidly switch suppliers and vendors without disrupting users' shopping experience. Well, now total there are 9 areas I am focusing today. Six I have completed. I'll move on to the seventh one. Search engine for the commerce students. It's a new term. A web search engine is designed to search for the information on www and FTP servers. The search results are generally presented in list of results and are often called hits. The information may consist of web pages. The information may consist of images, information, and other types of files. Some search engines also mine data available in database. Search, some search engine also mine mine the data available in database or open directories. Search engines works by storing information about menu pages, which they retrieve from the HTML itself. With the students, when a user enters a query into search engine, typically by using the keywords. Suppose if you want to know something about Umesh Maya, what you will do, you will go to Google and you will type Umesh Maya. And your search engine, Google page, Google will help, Google Chrome. The engine, examines index and provides a listing of best matching according to your keywords. So your Google is a search engine. So this Google stores all or part of the source page as well as the information about the web pages. Now I'll move on to the eighth point, last but one, online trading. Stock markets. You can have your stock market trading through online. Intraday, within the day you can have the trading. You can earn money, but be careful. I'm not no sir. I'm not recommending you to go for online trading, or I'm not recommending you to go for stock marketing trade. But you, as being a commerce student, you should you should know something about the basic aspects of online trading or stock marketing. Well, now the eighth application of e-commerce, that is online trading. An online trading community provides the participants with a structured method for trading, for exchanging goods with goods, or selling goods and services. These communities often have forums and chat chat rooms designed to facilitate communication among the members or between the members. A formal trading community consists of websites or networks of websites that facilitates and the track the transactions. While trading any user items online, be sure that or be sure to include the conditions and quality of the product so as the receiver can determine its overall value. I'll repeat, you have to see the conditions and quality of the product as the receiver can determine its overall value. For what, with what aim you are purchasing, with what aim you are trading, all these things you should be careful. A trading circle is a form, is a form of online trading designed to facilitate viewing of a television series and episode media. So then I'll come to the last part. That's the ninth application of e-commerce is entertainment. The conventional media that have been used for the entertainment, to mention few: video games, films, televisions, radio, books, magazines. Some people are very happy by reading the books, by reading the magazines. But you can read the books through online. You can read the magazine through online. So that is a facility. That is the entertainment to that particular person. The internet as an entertainment media is not only is not a elastic by itself, but rather a unique interactions of all the medias, like all the what I told, no, all the medias like radio, television, films, video games, etc., etc., etc. The computer-based systems have been used as an entertainment medium in the form of video, in the form of video games, CD, CD-ROMs, etc., etc. Online books, newspapers, online radio, online television, online forms, and online games are common places in internet where we can entertain. Online social networking websites are one of the biggest source of e-entertainment for the today's tech savvy. Now we are in the tech savvy generation. I'm sure that you're all better than me as far as using the technology is concerned. You are more tech savvy than me. So finally, online social networking websites are the one of the biggest source of entertainment for today's tech savvy who have knowledge or interest in the technology. That is why tech savvy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ entertainment for the today's tech savvy generation. So these are the 9 important the applications of e-commerce. So if you're ready, definitely we can. I think already I told you in the last week, two weeks back only, that you should be ready for the presentation. So I think I have covered almost all the syllabus. Now I'll be taking only first 3 minutes because I'm engaging only 2 hours in a week for you. The remaining 3 hours will be taken by Sarita Madam. Okay, so We'll start seminar from the next class onwards. Okay. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you very much. Any doubt, you can interact. You can send a message. You can send a email, or you can give a ring to me. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much.